Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel of wig making tips and inspiration. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you my step-by-step guide to bleaching my frontal knots. First, let's quickly run through all the supplies we'll be using in today's video. Some water in a spray bottle, a mixing bowl, a small whisk, and an applicator like a plastic knife. Some conditioner, this is the Ion After Color conditioner. 30 volume developer, also from Ion. We'll be using the Blondor bleach powder from Wella. The Frontal No Orange Extra Blue shampoo. And finally, just a sheet of foil. We'll be working on a 13x4 HD lace frontal. I'm just spraying the foil with a little bit of water, and this is going to help to tame the baby hairs so that they don't get in the way of the bleach. I'll be using 1 scoop of the Blondor bleach powder. Next, I'll be using some of the 30 volume developer. There's no real measurement. I would say just eyeball it. One thing you have to remember is a little goes a long way. The consistency that you're looking to get is that of cake frosting, so just keep adding a little bit of developer at a time until you get that right consistency. So I apologize, my video had stopped working, so this is a clip that I filmed previously. It's the same process. I'm just now spreading the paste onto the frontal with my plastic knife very lightly. You've got to be very light-handed when you're spreading this. I like to spread the paste on the back part of the frontal first before I work my way up to the front. The reason is this is a pre-plucked frontal and the hairline has been ventilated sparsely. This means that it will take the bleach a lot quicker. I usually just give it an extra 5 minutes before I start working my way to the front. Now I'm spreading the paste on the hairline of the frontal. Now that I'm doing the delicate part of the frontal, notice how I'm holding onto the lace so that the paste doesn't seep into the frontal. So I'm using my hands to lift the front part of the lace up to give me some leverage. Make sure that hairline is completely saturated. Okay, so welcome back to the original video. So this is me just finishing off the hairline of the frontal. And once that is completely saturated, I'm just going to flip over my foil first, because remember we sprayed some water on it. Here, what I'm doing is lifting up all of those little baby hairs that could have possibly been laying flat on their side, just so that I don't bleach them by accident. You'll know your knots are bleached correctly when you can no longer see the black dots. All you should see are lightened knots on your frontal. I don't want to get any unnecessary bleach on my frontal, so I like to hold it downwards and wash off that excess paste from the frontal before I start to shampoo it. Here I'm using that No Orange Extra Blue shampoo by Frontal. Not a bad result at all, but I was itching to try something that I saw the hair diagram do on her YouTube channel a few weeks ago. I'll put down the link in my description box. She used some 8V Shades EQ with equal parts processing solution, and that seems to stop the orange dead in its tracks. And we're just using my absolute favorite after color conditioner from Iron. I let the frontal sit in the conditioner for about 5 minutes before rinsing it out. Here are the results: perfectly bleached knots. All that's left to do is to customize your hairline and tint your lace, and of course get it installed. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you in the next one.